So I heard you like your gaming PCs free. Well, you know what? In today's video, I think we're gonna give you a chance to do that. This right here is an awesome gaming PC that we built over at PCBros.tech by just shopping around at some of the stuff we have on our shelves and putting together a PC that looks incredibly nice for the money. We're gonna be giving away one of these PCs, but we're also gonna be selling 4 of them at a really, really good price. And we'll be talking about how you can, well, do both, either win the free version or buy one at a really good price. But first, a word from today's sponsor, and then we're gonna go shopping at PC Bros to pick out the parts from this bad boy.
It's TeamGroup brand month over on Amazon. Now is the best time to grab those upgrades you've been wanting to make to your gaming PC. With some crazy deals on Gen 4 NVMe SSDs, DDR5 RAM, and high capacity SSDs, there's something there for everyone. If you've been looking to improve your performance, check out TeamGroup Delta RGB DDR5 RAM. With speeds up to 7800 MHz and Intel XMP 3.0 support, you can experience ultra fast overclocking with a single click. And if you're tired of those long load times, upgrade to TeamGroup's T-Force Cardia A440 SSD. It delivers awesome lightning fast performance with read speeds up to 7400 MB a second. The TeamGroup MP34 is also on sale. If you're looking to expand the storage in your system, you can get 4 TB of NVMe SSD storage for only $200. Big thanks again to TeamGroup for sponsoring today's video, and be sure to check out the link in the description for all those deals. Now, let's get back to it.
I'm just gonna choose some parts off the shelf, and then we just have to be able to make 5 of them. That's easy enough, right? So let's go ahead and pick out some parts. So now I'm gonna pretend like I'm shopping at PC Bros, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab a 12400F, 6-core 12 thread. Pretty good CPU, if I do say so myself. I like this RAM too. Some T-Force DDR4, which they were nice enough to send over. So this is just a prop. I mean, it's not like we actually bought this stuff, but it's pretty sick and it looks amazing. It's actually a little bit slanted too. You guys will have to see it just to believe it. But yeah, 16 gigs, 32 MHz, 2x8. It is the white edition. So we do have some other white components as well. And then we also have this TeamGroup Cardia Z44L. This is a 500 gig Gen 4 SSD, and that's important because we're going 12 Gen, so we gotta go latest and greatest with the Gen 4 support. Let me bring my shopping cart over here. This would be a wild shopping cart, wouldn't it?
Not overkill at all.
All right.
There's a graphics card that stands out from the rest.
This one does stand out because I see all these AMD cards, and then we just see this Gigabyte Vision RTX 3060 12 gigs of GDR6. Whoa, absolutely crazy. But yeah, these cards just look really sick. They kind of have like a white silver design with a little bit of purple on top. So I think it'll look pretty cool. Matt, how are you feeling for power supplies? We got a lot of options here. What are you thinking?
I like the color blue.
I don't see any other blue besides this Seasonic S12 III. So they really went clever on this. It's literally just the S123. I've realized 500 watt. But yeah, I think this one actually has black sleeve cables too, rather than ketchup and mustard. So definitely a good choice, Matt.
We only have one really viable B660 option.
Yeah, and it's this one.
Whoa!
Whoa! So that's an ASRock B660M Pro RS. And the case that you'll be seeing that we're gonna be using is going to make this build look like it is super premium. Like, it makes it look like it's a $2,000 build, but it only supports micro ATX or mini ITX, and we wanna fill it, so micro it is.
But where's the case? We always seem to lose the case.
Yeah, you know, it's not in the mezzanine this time, I don't think. So I'm just gonna assume that it's somewhere over here.
Oh, he hit a chair. Oh yeah, there they are. They're like glowing over there. They're just so special.
Yeah, so these cases are crazy. Matt actually managed to randomly find these one day. And this is from a company that we have known for a long time. I know you're probably not trying to overexpose the background.
Yes, I got you right over here.
But this is DIYPC. It's the ARGB Q3W, which is white. And yeah, this case is just absolutely insane because it looks like an 011 Dynamic Mini, but it does not cost nearly the mini price. It's around $60. So yeah, that's pretty freaking epic.
So yeah, altogether we have an awesome gaming PC with a 3060 and 12400F inside that nice case that we did do a video on already, but it's the white version, so it's gonna look really clean. Let's just go ahead and put it together, see how it performs, and talk about how you can win one or buy one, because there's gonna be 4 of these that you could buy.
All right, guys, we're playing some Halo Infinite, and we're at 1080p. We're 120 field of view, and we're on medium settings. Let's see how she does.
Bring in.
Yeah, Halo's a pretty demanding game too. We're playing capture flag, and I like this map. Give me the view.
Oh, nade party.
He's better with the nades. I need to go after this man.
Get him. Headshot. Oh, reloading. Oh, one more headshot would have got him. Nice. There they go. Oh, get him.
Man.
Oh, boo.
That sucks. It's gotta be a double kill right there, though, right? Unless my teammate just throws a grenade at me instead.
Guys getting chased.
Oh, boy. Ugh, I missed.
Yep, missed.
Boomers. Healing is not an option.
Oh, yep. Let's freaking go.
Wait, did he?
Get him.
Double team, double kill.
There you are. Yeah. Turn that ish. Oh.
Oh, grenade got me. I was like, did someone just punch me that hard?
Halo runs great, no problems.
Good.
VM settings 1080p, you can even do 1440p if you want to with this PC, no problem. Let's move on to the next one. All right, gamers, we are now in Call of Duty Warzone Resurgence, and these are the settings we are currently running. Oh, nope, it said no thank you, you can't show your settings. We're on the balance preset. We got balance DLSS, 120V FOV, and yeah, balance preset, so basically like medium, high, low, kind of all over the place, but we're targeting those high FPS numbers. Obviously, you can do some ray tracing, obviously, you can run some higher resolutions or even 1440p settings if you want to, but yeah, getting 100 plus FPS, so we're great for that high refresh rate, 165 hertz monitor for the most part. And it'll be a fun gaming experience. So let's drop in and see if I can survive. All my training in multiplayer, it's called me for this. Oh, there's someone else shooting at me.
Third party.
Ah! Open the door!
Oh, was he worth it? Was he worth it?
Oh, there's somebody.
Oh.
I got third party, just like they third partied me. Well, we're coming back. It's Resurgence. Let's go. Oh God, this place is always scary. Let's just drop here.
This is our favorite drop.
Oh!
How the heck did he get down?
Oh,
it's
ah!
Oh.
Three. There was like one person, and then three just randomly appeared. Got him.
How did that speak?
All right, guys, cannonball. Ah! Oh, burnt my ankles, and I got shot at. No!
I shouldn't have asked.
What is this?
Whoa. Dang, it almost broke your game.
Whatever. We're gonna do some testing with the stock cooler, I guess. We'll just see if it's like a airflow with the case situation, because as we mentioned, the all exhaust, there's really no intake fan, so that CPU is struggling to find some like cool air. So we'll figure out what we want to do with that. We'll run some builds and benchmarks to stress things to its limits and kind of go over this value proposition, how you can get one, as long as you can fix the problems.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking this PC, and overall, it did a really good job. Obviously, the stock cooler in the i5 was a little bit pushing it, but it's not like we ever overheated or anything, and maybe making one fan intake or actually just adding more fans. We suggest just buying some AirGB fans or just plain fans even, just putting them at the bottom for intake, and then you'd have a really good airflow system. We also reapplied some thermal paste on the stock cooler because it does come with thermal paste that doesn't really spread very well, so we just added some new stuff. We dropped a couple degrees off that as well.
If you're actually watching this video right now, at the time of the video going live, we're probably still live over on twitch.tv/toastybros, and we'll be giving away this PC along with some gift cards. So head on over to twitch.tv/toastybros, link in the description down below. Yeah, if you are 2 hours later than this video going live, we're probably not live anymore, but if you get it at the very beginning, you have a chance to win this gaming PC, and you can buy one of these PCs as well, checking the link in the description down below from PCBros.tech. Supply is limited, only 4 available, so pick one up today if you're interested.
And as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
So once again, go to the giveaway, make sure you're there, but if you're not there, PCBros.tech, we will have these 4 PCs, and we also have over 100 other options typically at a time, so you got lots of chances to buy a gaming PC.
PCBros.tech, gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. If you use code ToastybRos2 on checkout, you'll save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Peace out.